They said it couldn't be done. A Mustang that could take on supercars, crush lap times, and still be street legal. Yet here we are. The 2025 Ford Mustang GTD is here, and it's rewriting the rules of American muscle. A Mustang that doesn't just dominate the streets but challenges the very best from Ferrari, McLaren, and Porsche, without breaking a sweat. This isn't just another fast Ford. This is a $300,000 track-focused monster, built to destroy expectations and carve its name into automotive history. Under the hood, Ford has unleashed a 5.2-liter supercharged V8, pumping out over 800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. A Mustang with hypercar levels of power, designed to obliterate straightaways and carve through corners with ruthless precision. But this is not just about brute force. The Mustang GTD takes inspiration straight from the Le Mans-winning Ford GT, incorporating active aerodynamics, a race-derived suspension, and carbon fiber, everything to shed weight and increase agility. The Mustang GTD isn't just a muscle car, it's a street-legal race car with an attitude. With a rear-mounted transaxle for perfect weight distribution, adaptive spool valve dampers for razor-sharp handling, and an aggressive aero package generating immense downforce, this beast sticks to the road like a true European exotic. The massive wing, wide stance, and aggressive lines aren't just for show. They're functional, engineered to slice through air and keep the car planted at insane speeds. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit designed for serious driving. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and titanium elements surround you, reminding you this isn't just any Mustang. The focus is performance, pure and simple. But make no mistake, this is not a stripped-down track car. You still get premium tech, a high-end sound system, and all the modern conveniences you'd expect from a six-figure machine. But let's talk about what really matters, the numbers. The Mustang GTD is expected to sprint from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Its top speed? North of 200 miles per hour. But the real magic happens on the track. With a purpose-built suspension setup, a widened stance for better grip, and a braking system capable of stopping on a dime, this Mustang is engineered to take on the Nürburgring and set blistering lap times. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, price. $300,000 is a lot for a Mustang, right? Well, not when you compare it to the competition. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS, McLaren Artura, and Ferrari 296 GTB all command similar or even higher prices, yet the Mustang GTD delivers comparable, if not superior, performance. Ford has built something that doesn't just challenge European supercars, it embarrasses them at their own game. The Mustang GTD is more than just a car. It's a statement. A declaration that American engineering can take on the best in the world. It's not just about speed, it's about precision, balance, and an all-out assault on the limits of what a Mustang can be. This is Ford proving that muscle cars aren't just about straight-line dominance anymore. They're about total performance, built for the elite few who demand the best of both worlds. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD the ultimate American supercar killer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you loved this deep dive into the future of Mustang performance, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest automotive game changers. Stay tuned, because the road ahead is looking faster than ever.